If you'd like to use Scholars Speak through our website, just follow these simple steps. First, click Sign Up and enter your basic information. Once you've signed up, you'll see a welcome page where you can click Continue.
Hi everyone, welcome to 123 Scholars. My name is Lulu. Let me show you around.
After signing in, you'll watch a short introduction video to help you get familiar with the app. Scholars Speak by 123 Scholars. Once that's complete, you can enter the platform and start exploring. Inside Scholars Speak, you'll find a variety of organized categories designed to support real-life communication. These include core vocabulary, behavior support words, feelings and emotions, needs and requests, people, routines, toys and play, places, and clothing. You can also create your own custom categories and add up to 50 personalized words, allowing the app to be fully tailored to individual learning needs. At the top right corner, you'll find a search button, which helps you quickly locate any word. Now, let's create a sentence. Simply select the words you want.
I am hungry.
And they'll come together to form a complete phrase.
I am hungry.
You can also customize the experience by changing the voice, such as switching to a male speaker from a female speaker.
I am hungry.
If you want to start over, just click Reset to clear the selected words. When you're ready to exit the platform, click the home icon to return to the main page. Scholars Speak makes communication practice interactive, flexible, and confidence-building every step of the way. We hope you love using Scholars Speak and discover just how powerful communication can be. Thank you for choosing 123 Scholars. We're excited to be part of your journey.